Wrong materials, incomplete BOQs, and too many separate suppliers can delay cleanroom projects. Novalink helps contractors and project owners turn layouts and BOQs into practical cleanroom system proposals. Before quotation, our engineering team reviews drawings, material lists, product requirements, and project applications. We provide one-stop cleanroom system supply. Including panels, hermetic doors, flush windows, pass boxes, air showers, FFU, HEPA units, HVAC systems, and modular integrated cleanrooms. Novalink also provides a patented HVAC system integrated with VHP sterilization technology. For fast-track projects, we provide factory-prefabricated modular cleanroom units delivered to site and connected quickly. From factory supply to international project support, Novalink helps improve cleanroom project delivery. Send your layout or BOQ, get a system-based cleanroom quotation. Novalink Cleanroom Systems. www.hecleanrooms.com